Struggling with slow, outdated leasing processes? Have you thought about a Copilot leasing assistant to help transform tenant engagement? Copilot solutions can instantly answer inquiries across websites, Teams, and email, streamlining scheduling for a seamless leasing experience. Creating an agent to guide applicants step-by-step through forms, nudging them to complete documents and offering personalized options. With integrations spanning property management systems, calendars, CRMs, and payment gateways, every lead receives professional, timely care. HingePoint empowers your business to harness AI innovation, unlocking efficient operations and elevating tenant experiences. Experience the shift from endless paperwork and delayed responses to a vibrant, automated process that propels your leasing operations forward. Witness efficiency, clarity, and connection as every interaction is optimized for remarkable, instant success. Transform every challenge into a winning opportunity. Let HingePoint help with your AI initiative. We will collaborate with your team to guide the implementation of a custom AI solution tailored to your data and specific business needs. HingePoint empowers organizations to unlock the full potential of Microsoft technologies, including SharePoint, Power Platform, Copilot Studio, and Microsoft Teams, to drive operational efficiency, collaboration, and data-informed decision-making. With a focus on scalable architecture and best practices, we design and implement tailored solutions that align with each client's unique business goals. Having partnered with over 300 companies nationwide, HingePoint delivers enterprise-grade results across a wide range of industries and business sizes, from agile startups to large-scale enterprises.